The main problem is finance. There needs to be put in place some financial mechanisms to help people who are renovating their houses with some upfront finance in order to make it possible for them to do good deep renovation. Everybody gains money by doing energy efficiency, but for a lot of people it's difficult to find the money up front, and so you need a good scheme like the UK has now with the Green Deal, as Germany has through its bank KfW. A scheme like that is very important to make the upfront funding available to get energy efficiency off the ground.
What can Serbia expect as future member of European Union in terms of financing energy efficiency project?
They can expect the key of the Energy Efficiency Directive, which talks about the need to get financial schemes in place, and there are good examples coming now in many countries of how to go about getting financial support for energy efficiency. The big thing to remember is that energy efficiency saves money, so it is going to save both individuals' money and governments' money, and therefore it's really just a question of the interim of getting the money up front to pay for the work, and you can do that in many different ways, either through public finances or through energy service contracting, where a company comes along and says we will pay for the renovation because we know that you can pay for it as afterwards, and you will still be paying less money than when you had high fuel bills.